Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special video for you. English expert with 10 years experience shares bedtime listening tips. If you've ever wanted to learn English effortlessly, even while you're resting, this is the video for you. I'm going to share practical tips that you can start using tonight to improve your English listening, vocabulary, and comprehension. You know, many learners struggle with English because they think learning has to be stressful, or that it requires hours of study every day. But what if I told you that by simply listening to English before you sleep, you could absorb new words, phrases, and even pronunciation patterns naturally? That's right. This technique is called bedtime listening, and it's something that English experts with years of experience often recommend. Let's start with why bedtime listening works so well. Our brains are amazing. When we sleep, our mind continues processing information from the day. This includes language input. By listening to English right before bed, your brain can process English naturally, reinforcing what you already know and slowly improving your listening comprehension. Think of it like this. You're giving your brain a gentle, immersive English experience without pressure. You don't need to focus intensely, just relax, listen, and let your mind do the work. Studies even show that learners who practice passive English listening at night notice improvements faster than those who only study actively during the day. So what should you listen to? Not every English audio is suitable for bedtime learning. You want content that is calm and soothing. Avoid fast, stressful news reports. Clear pronunciation. This helps your brain recognize words and sentence patterns. Relevant to your level, beginners should pick simple stories. Intermediate learners can use podcasts, and advanced learners can listen to interviews or audiobooks. Some examples of great bedtime listening content include slow English podcasts, audiobooks for beginners, short stories in English, English listening exercises specifically made for passive learning. Remember, the key is consistency. Even 10 to 15 minutes of listening each night can make a huge difference over time. Now that you know what to listen to, let's talk about how to make the most of bedtime listening. Create a bedtime routine. Put your phone or device in a comfortable place, use headphones if you want, and make sure you're relaxed. This signals your brain that it's time for both sleep and learning. Focus lightly, don't stress. You don't need to understand every word. Your brain is picking up patterns, sounds, and intonation even if your conscious mind isn't fully paying attention. Repeat regularly. Consistency is key. The more you listen, the more your English comprehension improves naturally. Mix listening with active review. Occasionally write down new words or repeat phrases out loud. This reinforces what your brain has passively absorbed. As someone with 10 years of experience teaching English, I can tell you that learners often overlook the power of passive listening. Here are some expert tips. Don't worry about understanding everything. Focus on familiar words and context. Use English listening apps that offer slow and clear audio. Pair listening with visualization. Imagine the story or conversation in your mind. Start with 10 minutes and gradually increase to 30 minutes per night. These tips are perfect for both beginners and intermediate learners. Over time, your brain will get better at picking up new vocabulary, sentence structures, and natural pronunciation patterns. Even with bedtime listening, there are some mistakes that can slow your progress. Listening while distracted. Avoid multitasking. Your brain needs to focus at least lightly to process English. Choosing overly complex content. Don't start with advanced news or academic podcasts if your level is A1-B1. It will frustrate you. Skipping repetition. Learning English is a process. Repetition helps your brain retain new words and phrases. Instead, pick material that is appropriate, repeat it often, and gradually challenge yourself as your listening skills improve. By practicing bedtime listening, you'll notice improved English listening skills naturally, better pronunciation and intonation, expanded vocabulary without memorizing lists, more confidence understanding native speakers, a relaxing way to end your day while learning. The best part? You can start tonight. Just pick a calm English podcast or audiobook, lie down, relax, and let your brain do the rest. The secret to success is habit. Even 5 to 15 minutes per night is better than long, inconsistent study sessions. Here's how to make bedtime listening a daily habit. Set a fixed bedtime and schedule your listening session. Keep your device ready the night before. Choose content you enjoy so you look forward to it. Track your progress. You'll notice small improvements each week. With consistency, you'll find that English becomes part of your daily life without feeling like a chore. All right, everyone, now you know how to learn English while you sleep with simple, effective bedtime listening tips. Remember, it's all about consistency, choosing the right audio, and letting your brain absorb English naturally. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy English learning tips. And don't forget to leave a comment telling us what English content you'll listen to tonight. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams in English.